Adding a pair of dive planes from Drake Muscle Cars will give your vehicle a more aggressive stance and can help improve the aerodynamics. Our low aspect wings are easily installed on the outside edges of your front bumper, where they redirect the oncoming airflow upward, helping to increase downforce. And when properly placed, dive planes help keep the high pressure air flowing around the car and away from the turbulent low pressure areas around your wheel wells and under the vehicle. We designed our Mustang versions after the GT4 cars for a race-inspired look. They accent the black trim on your Mustang and fit in great with an aftermarket splitter and spoiler. We also offer dive planes to dress up your 2019 or newer Camaro SS. Our dive planes are constructed of rigid ABS plastic and can be installed with the pre-applied 3M tape for a no-drill option, or use the included hardware for a more intuitive mounting. Add some styling and improve your car's overall handling characteristics with a pair of dive planes from Drake Muscle Cars. To find a set for your ride, visit us at Holley.com.